How to use Zoom video conferencing tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use Zoom for your meetings and conference. If you are a complete beginner and you have no idea how to use Zoom and how to join a meeting or host a meeting using Zoom, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Simply go to zoom.us, or you can also download Zoom on your laptop or PC with your Mac store or maybe your Windows store. Zoom is also available as an app that you can download on your Android and iOS. So once you open up your Zoom, the first step is going to be creating an account. Zoom allows you to host meetings and conference. You can add hundreds of attendees into a meeting, and there are different customizable tools and features that make your Zoom experience very efficient. So to get started with Zoom, what you can do is you can sign up for free. Zoom is completely free to sign up for, and there is also a pricing plan available if you want to check out. So the signing up process is really easy. You can simply sign up with your Google account or your email address. Once you sign up, then you will get your own Zoom. So I have opened up Zoom on my web. So you can see right here, this is Zoom. We have our personal options right here, such as profile, meetings, webinars, personal contacts, whiteboards, recordings, settings. And then we have an admin where you will find user management, device management, and room management option. Let's go to profile first. In profile, you will be able to do different settings, such as customizing your name, time zone, language, ID, host key, license, and email address password. So this is where you will be able to customize your name and your profile picture. You can simply add any profile picture or edit name for your meetings. Then we have the option of meetings. This is where you simply create a meeting or, schedule a meeting. Let's go ahead and schedule a meeting. Simply click on this option right here. Now you have to give your meeting a name. Let's say that I have a work meeting. Now I can add a description as well. So this is going to be for my YouTube team. Now you have to add the time. When? You will simply add time right here. This is going to be on Monday. And the time will be 1 a.m. This is the starting time. 1 p.m. So this is going to be the starting time of the meeting. And this is going to be the duration. Let's go for 2 hours. Or you can simply go for different minutes as well. For example, 30 minutes. Then we have the time zone, meeting ID, and template. We can choose from a template as well where we get different, settings. Then we have security code, and then we have the video option. In here, we can actually select that if we want to do a video meeting or not. So if you want to turn off your camera or you do not want the participants to turn off your camera, then you can simply go ahead and select on and off. Then we have other options such as allow participants to join anytime. This is where you can actually add a time that will allow you to set a time for your meeting. This is good for classes. If you do not want students to be late, then you can add a time, and after that time, people and students will not be able to join. Then we have automatically record meeting. This option is also really good for meetings if you want to record them or for classes. Then we have approve or block entry to users from a specific region or country. So these are all different settings that you can do. Simply click on save and your new meeting is scheduled. You can see right here, this is my meeting. And now I can simply go ahead and add it to my Google Calendar, Outlook, and Yahoo as well. And this is my invite link. To invite people to my meeting right here, I will simply click on copy invitation. And this is what the invitation will look like. Simply click on copy and it is copied to your clipboard. Now you can share it in your group or to email with your team members. And that is how you simply schedule a meeting. Let's say that you want to join a meeting. Simply click on join a meeting option right here. And then you have to enter your personal nickname for the meeting. What you have to do is, let's go ahead and add a name. And in here, you simply have to enter your meeting ID. This is where you can actually paste a link that somebody shared. Or we can also join a meeting by just simply clicking on the link and it will add you to the meeting. If we go to host a meeting option, we have with video off and with video on option. We also have the option of screen share only. This is good for teachers when they are teaching a class. After that, we have webinars option. When you go to webinar simply means you will be able to conduct a large online event with video, audio, and screen sharing for up to 100 video participants and 10,000 attendees. So, if it's a webinar, you can simply go ahead and create one. What you have to do is you will simply go to your user management, and in your user management, you can simply go ahead and do different settings for your webinars. This way, you can simply create webinars. It is just like creating a meeting. Then we have recordings option. And in recordings, you will be able to find your recordings that you have done. Let's say that you have recorded a class, you will be able to find it right here. And you can also do different settings right here. Let's go to admin. You can go to admin and go to user settings. In user settings or management, you will be able to customize different settings, such as group management or role management. With role management option, you will be able to add different roles for your different, team members or maybe your class. Then we have room management. You can go ahead and create your own room. For example, our Zoom rooms. In Zoom room, you can simply go ahead and create a room for your friends or your team or maybe a class. This is actually good for your friends. You can create a room with your friends where you can conduct meetings. Then you have advanced options, and in advanced, you will be able to find the app marketplace. We can integrate a lot of different apps to our Zoom as well. You can use Zoom for free, and the free plan actually has really good features for you, such as host up to 100 participants, unlimited group meetings, and unlimited one-to-one meetings. But if you want to, advance your Zoom and you want to add more features, then you can go with the pricing plan as well. Simply go to zoom.us/pricing and you will be able to check their pricing plan. They have a pro plan, which is $149.9 per year. Then they have a business plan, which is going to be $199.90 per year. And then they have a $240 per year as well. Or maybe you can simply go with a monthly plan. So this is how you can simply get a Zoom, a dashboard, and then you can simply host your meetings or join unlimited meetings with Zoom or take classes online. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use Zoom. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.